Jai Krishna Guru. Hello everyone. We were learning light, reflection and refraction from class 10 NCERT book. We studied ray diagram of concave mirror, how to draw ray diagram for concave mirror. That was our last topic, and today we will see the rules to draw ray diagram for convex mirror. Then we will draw ray diagram for convex mirror. Then we will do some numericals. Let us see. So rules to draw ray diagram for convex mirror. So what is a convex mirror? Suppose this is the glass. The inward curve is painted silver and the reflecting surface is outside. This is called convex mirror. So this line is called principal axis. This is the pole. Here lies the focus. This is the center of curvature. Now the first rule is rule number 1, rules to draw ray diagram, isn't it? So if a ray passes parallel to the principal axis in this way, if a ray passes parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection it will trace a path as if the light is coming from the focus. It will reflect in a path, and if we trace back that line, it will pass through focus. Okay, so this is the first rule. Next rule. If a ray of light is in the direction of focus, then after reflection it will be passing parallel to the principal axis. Rules are same, almost same, but this time when we are tracing back, we are getting the point as we have got in concave mirror. Before learning this, concave mirror must be clear. Then you can correlate things and it is much easier to understand. ঠিক আছে, ৰেডাল ফোকাসৰ ফিলা আহি আছে, ঘূৰি যাওঁতে প্যাৰেলাল গুচি যাব আৰু এনেকৈ ওপৰ দি আহিলে এনেকৈ গ'ল হয়, বা এইফালে যদি যায় এনেকৈ ফোকাসৰ ফিলে তেতিয়া এনেকৈ গুচি যাব। সো এইকেইটা নিয়ম। সেকেন্ড রুল আছিল এইটো। থার্ড রুলটো কি হ'ব পাৰে? সেন্টার অফ কার্ভেচার। যদি এডাল ৰে সেন্টার অফ কার্ভেচার ফিলে আহে এনেকৈ সিল ফিলে যদি আহে, then after reflection it will follow the same path. It will reflect back from the same path. Rule kita ekei kintu jodi ami bhalke saisu. Aru fourth rule to ki hobo? Yar bisot fourth rule to asile, if a ray of light strikes at the pole, then it reflects back making the same angle, following the laws of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So এই চাৰিটা rule use কৰি এতিয়া আমি ray diagram draw কৰিম. Using this 4 rules, now we will try to draw ray diagram for convex mirror. Let us draw. Ray diagram for convex mirror. Before drawing ray diagram, we must see how many positions are there to keep the object. So this is the convex mirror. This time all the important points are lying inside the, means they are lying in the inward surface of the convex mirror. but this side silver color is applied, no reflection of light will take place from this side, but only this side will reflect light. Okay, so this point focus, center of curvature, here it is useless to put object in this position. So there are only two positions left for us, one is at infinity and one is at a considerable point in front of the mirror. Infinity. So we have two positions. Position number one is infinity, and the next position is anywhere from here to here we can put the object. Two positions for convex mirror. We will not put it here, right? Because the reflecting surface is in this side. So it is useless to put object in this side. So these all points are loose. But in case of if the silver color is applied in this side and the inward surface is the reflecting surface, then there was a point to keep object in these positions. But now it is useless. So we get 6 ray diagram for concave mirror and 2 ray diagram for convex mirror. Let us draw the ray diagrams. The first position is infinity, of course. This is the convex mirror. This is the aperture, principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. Ray coming parallel, ray from infinity will come parallel, and parallel. These rays are coming parallel. So in the rule we have learned that if a ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, then after reflection it will trace the path of focus. So one ray is coming this side after reflection and the other ray is coming this side after reflection. So in this side they are diverging away from each other. Dural ray itu pora durat goi ase, eneke goi ase. So there is no possibility that they will get intersect. Aru image tetiahe form hobo. Image will form only when two rays will cut each other. But for this we have to extend this reflected ray backward and backward. Then they will meet at focus. So the image will form at focus. This image is not naturally formed. We have produced it by ourselves. So this is a virtual image. What is the nature? Nature of this mirror, nature of this image? Draw it. Nature. Virtual. And erect. And what is the size of the image? It is a point size image. Point size image is formed. Clear? So this is the nature of the image formed by convex mirror when the object is placed at infinity. We are done with this. Next we will put the object at a considerable distance in front of the mirror. Next position to rakhi sam. So again this is the pole, focus, center of curvature. Anywhere in this position which we can consider except infinity, anywhere we can keep the object. Let us say we are keeping the object here at this position. Now if a ray passes parallel, after reflection it will as if it is coming from the focus. Next, if we draw another line from here, we can apply all the 4 rules, but to create an image only 2 rays are required. So we are doing any 2 rules that we can show. Direction, showing the direction is very important. So this time again, one ray is coming this side. After reflection, it is going this side. Another ray is coming after reflection. It is coming this side. This side and this side. There is no possibility of meeting. So we have to track it backward. Pisphale ami extend koribo lagibo. We have to extend it backward, and let us see where we get the image. So backward extend korile dekha palo the image is formed here. Okay. See now the size of where the image is formed. The image is formed between pole and focus. Did the ray actually intersect after reflection? No. We have extended it backward. So it's a virtual image. Nature. Write the nature. Virtual image. Erect. These are also erect. Etu sidha, etu sidha. So erect boli koi tak. Sidha to. Smaller in size. Object of the image or size to horu hoi gol. The image size is smaller than the object size. So we will say it is smaller in size. Smaller. And position also you can write if you want, that the image is formed between pole and focus. So this is the ray diagram for mirror. We have completed ray diagram for mirror with this. Next we will see mirror formula. Mirror formula derivation is required in class 12. In class 10 these derivations are not required. We are directly using the formulas. But in class 12 everything that I am teaching here are required in class 12, plus all the derivations are also required there. So this topic is very important for class 12 physics also. Next we will see the formulas. Mirror formula. I will directly write the formula. Derivation we will do in class 12. So what is the mirror formula? Mirror formula is the mirror formula that I am going to write is useful for both concave and convex mirror. It's 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. This formula is called mirror formula, where u is equal to object distance, v is image distance, and f is the focal length. Mirror formula pisot sabo lagibo magnification formula. After mirror formula we will say magnification formula. So u is the object distance. So how to take object distance? Suppose this is a concave mirror, f c. Suppose this is the mirror and the object is kept 15 meter in front of the mirror. So u will be 15 meter, and sign convention we will see the sign convention also, where to take positive, where to take negative. There is also a sign convention to use this mirror formula. We cannot directly use this formula. We will have to use sign convention. everything, when we will learn mirror formula and sign convention, then we have to collaborate both the things and use the formula. We will see in the later section. This is mirror formula. So these are clear here. Next, magnification. Magnification means in the ray diagram we have seen that sometimes the object, the image form is in point size, sometimes it is smaller, sometimes it is bigger. So the size of the image is magnified in different way, positively or negatively magnified, or we can say diminished also. So how it is done? So what is there any formula to know that how many times the image will be? So this formula is, magnification is denoted by m. M is equal to minus v by u. Again, here also this is a formula. Derivation is not required in class 10, but in class 12 this derivation is also required. So magnification, v means again same for image distance and u is object distance. This m is also equal to h dash by h. Here I will make you something clear, very clear. Suppose this is the mirror and this is the object. The object is kept 15 meter in front of the mirror. So this is the value of u. This is u. And this is the size of the object. Suppose this image, this object is 5 meter in height. So here h is equal to 5 meter. Similarly, the size of the image will be h dash and v is the image distance. Okay, so these things we have to use precisely in the numerical as given. When we will do numerical, it will become more clear, but at this point also I am telling you very clearly that v and u is the distance from the mirror, and h dash and h are the size or the height of the object or image. H dash is the image and h is the object. One more important thing to note here is the value of m. If m is equal to plus 1, this means that the size of the object is equal to size of the image, or the distance of the object is equal to the distance of the image formed. Okay, 1. See, obviously here when the value of v and u are equal, then they will be cancelled out and we will get 1. So the value is 1. But what about this positive sign? This positive sign indicates that the image form is a virtual image. It is not inverted, it is erect. Sida hoye ase image to. So ei khetrot plus 1 hobo. Jodi if m is greater than 1, m is greater than 1, what does it mean? This means that the size of the image is greater than the size of the object. Image or size to object or size of ke dangor hoy gol. Aru tar ulta hobo. M is less than 1. This means that size of the image is less than size of the object. Am I clear? See, this part is very important. Next, we will see sign convention. How to take sign convention to use these formulas. Okay. Sign convention. As we take it in the Cartesian coordinate, we will take it as it is in the mirror also. So Cartesian coordinate here, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. This side is considered as negative x and this side was considered as positive x. Upper side to asile positive y, tolat asile negative y. Similarly, in place of this y-axis, we will put a mirror. But how to put the mirror? We have to put the mirror in this position. Then only we will get everything correct. So here, when I am drawing this mirror, I have to keep the compass here. So where I will keep the compass, that point will be C. Now this x plus minus are not required. So this will be C, this will be F. They are lying this side. An object will be always kept in front of the mirror. I cannot keep the object back side. তুমি আয়না চাবলে আয়নাৰ back side এ থিয় হোৱা নে front side এ থিয় হোৱা? Obviously front side এ থিয় হোৱা. So we have to keep the object in front of the mirror. Okay. মনত ডাউট আহিব পাৰে বলে স্যার ইয়াতে গেল ইয়াতে গেল না পিছফালে মোৰ ইচ্ছা পিছফালে থৰিম যোৱা পিছফালে বা সাইডে কানে যাব ইটস নট পসিবল ৰাইট সো অবজেক্টৰ পজিশনটো সদায় এই ফ্ৰন্ট সাইডে হ'ব লাগিব মিৰৰৰ সন্মুখত যোনটো ৰিফ্লেক্টিং সাইড আছে সো আৰু এইফালে যিমান বস্তু আমি থৈছো ডিসটেন্স বিলাক এইফালে কি আছিল x ৰ ভ্যালু বিলাক সব নেগেটিভ আছিল সো এইফালে u ৰ ভ্যালু নেগেটিভ হ'ব for concave mirror u to negative hobo focal length to negative hobo tar bisot objector image bilak jodi yat form hoy ase tolot ifile jodi form image bilak distance to negative hobo okol eta position asile focus aru polar major yat form tetia image to yat what form hoisile tetia u v er value tetia positive hobo otherwise sob value bilak ifile hole negative hobo eto concave mirror or kane kolo আৰু কনভেক্স মিৰৰৰ কাৰণে চাও কেনেকুৱা হয় এবাৰ সব পয়েন্ট বিলাক এফালে গুছি গল এফ সি সো কনভেক্সৰ কাৰণে ইউ এটাও নেগেটিভ হ'ব কাৰণ অবজেক্টটো আমি ফ্ৰন্টত থম বাট এই যে পজিশন বিলাক আছিল আৰ ৰ ভ্যালু radius of curvature তারপর আমি focal length লিয়াম focal length এবিলাক নেগেটিভ হৈ যাব এবিলাক নেগেটিভ হ'ব আৰু ইমেজ বিলাক ইমেজ এটা ইয়াত ফৰ্ম হয় সো ইমেজ গেটা ইয়াত ফৰ্ম এটা এফত ফৰ্ম এটা ইয়াত ফৰ্ম হয় গবাত পি আৰু এফ মাজত সো ইয়াৰ ভ্যালু পজিটিভ হ'ব কাৰণ ই পজিটিভ এক্স এক্সিসত ফৰ্ম হৈ আছে ঠিক আছে সো the images are formed behind the mirror which is the positive x-axis and therefore they are taken positive and the object is kept in front of the mirror which is the negative x-axis so the object distance u is taken negative clear এখিনি আসলে সাইন কনভেনশন আৰু ফর্মুলা ৰে ডায়াগ্রাম গুটেখিনি মিক্স কৰি পেলাই এটা আমি কৰিব লাগিব নিউমেৰিকেল 5 মাৰ্কছৰ আছে এটা যদি सीधा एक्सरसाइज और क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 तो करिम एग्जांपल किटा निजे ट्राई কৰিব লাগিব কৈ থোৱা আছে एग्जांपल 15 তো যদি বুজি পাই যা সব ইজি হৈ যাব কি কৈছে क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 তো লেট আস সি (186 page question number 15 solution an object of size 7 cm is placed at 27 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of the image. Given data likhilo ki ki amak diya ase. So given data size of the object h diya ase 7 centimeter is placed at a distance 27 centimeter. U is equal to U value koisilo hoda minus hobo minus 27 centimeter. Type of mirror concave mirror hoy. So concave mirror hoy karone focal length to obviously negative hobo 18 centimeter. আৰু আমাক সুধিছে v টো কিমান h dash টো কিমান direct we know that এইখিনি আছিল প্লাস মাইনাস খিনি আৰু ইয়াত কৰিব লাগে একো নাই ফৰ্মুলাত সিধা এইগিটা ডাটা পুট কৰিম আৰু v ভ্যালু আহি যাব 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. 1 by minus 27 plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by 18. এখানে এটা সিম্পলিফাই করলে কি হবে সিম্পলিফাই করলে 1 by v is equal to 1 by 18 minus 1 by 27 minus 27 টো ইফালে গলে plus 27 হৈ যাব LCM লো 27 is the bigger number 18 এদি 27 ক ডাইরেক্ট না যায় let us double 27 27 2s are 54 54 and 18 3s are 54 so 54 will be the LCM 54 18 3s are upor 1 ase and 27 2s are 5 by 54 therefore b is equal to 54 by 5 divide kori sabo lagibo kiman hoy f negative asil right eto minus 18 hobo eto minus 3 hobo eto minus 1 hobo so eto minus 54 hobo so v er value ahi gol minus 54 centimeter et likho libo therefore the screen should be placed at a distance of 54 centimeter 54 centimeter লিখিছো কিন্তু आंसर আছে -54 এই মাইনাস টুৰ কাৰণে লিখিব লাগিব in front of the mirror in front of the mirror এটা পার্ট হৈ গল v ভ্যালু আমাৰ ওলাই গল h ড্যাশ উলিয়াব লাগিব এটা সো এখানে রাফ কৰি দিম again কি আছিল h dash by h is equal to minus v by u h dash আমাক উলিয়াব লাগে h ৰ ভ্যালু দিয়া আছে 7 minus 54 by u ভ্যালু দিয়া আছে 27 minus 27 দিয়া আছে minus v by u v ৰ ভ্যালু minus 54 আছে so ইয়াত all total চাব গলে তিনটা মাইনাস আছে তো এটা মাইনাস তো বাছি গল লাষ্টত মাইনাস মাইনাস ক্যান্সেল গল এটা মাইনাস থাকি যাব কিন্তু এটা আমি কাটাকাটি কৰিলাম minus minus গল এটা মাইনাস থাকিলে 27 1 যা 27 2 যা 7 2 যা 14 therefore h dash is equal to minus 14 centimeter answer I got minus 14 centimeter what does it mean minus to কি বুঝাইছে minus to h dash or value যদি minus আহি গৈছে it means that the image is inverted so the size of the image is 14 centimeter nature is real and inverted so এই দুটা কথাখিনি মিলাই মেলি আৰু এই নিউমাৰিকেলটো বহুত বস্তু কভাৰ হৈ গৈছে কথা so time লাগক repeat this thing and see your concept will be very much clear and you will be able to attack other questions that's my guarantee you will be able to do তুমি পাৰিবা যদি এইখিনি বুজি পাইছা everything সব পাৰিবা তুমি but your mind must be in a very cool state মনটো পুৰা কুল হ'ব লাগিব তেতিয়া পাইবা তুমি ভাবি আছা বোলে মায়ে আজি ভাত দিয়া না তেতিয়া নহব কাম পঢ়ি আছা মানে পঢ়ি আছা ঠিক আছে so that's all for today thank you all of you signing off jai krishna guru